Like, bro, zero or advance, bro. 50's look at my cup. It's pink. I'm gonna look alone in the bank. Motherfucking neck on my walking saint. Yeah. Damn. I wish we had this shit sooner. I was gonna full port longs up to data highs. Wait, market opened?
I missed my entry, bro. I was looking at that dick. You were putting that dick on here? Were you putting that dick on here?
What do you mean?
I'm going on.
Why didn't you take the trade sooner?
I was erasing the dicks. And I missed my entry.
So you gotta close that bitch right now. Good job.
I was erasing the dicks on ES. I come back and this shit was right here. I was planning to take the trade as soon as we were breaking structure, but anyway, jeez.
I'm out for the day as well. Made 100K.
Jeez, W.
So why didn't you take it?
You want to hear my thought process?
Yeah, why didn't you long the second that we inversed this gap?
I didn't realize there was a gap right there.
There was. This was, remember, throughout that entire time, the only form of confirmation that we needed was a 1 minute break or a 1 minute inverse because we were still within 5 minute gaps. We were still maintaining this 5 minute gap on ES. We didn't break 5 minute structure at all.
Sure.
But I mean, no harm, no foul. You made $5,000 on this, so.
I just didn't realize that there was a gap right here. But
so you waited for.
I was looking at for this high to get broken.
This is a high?
No, yeah, it was or this high, yeah.
This high to get broken.
I was waiting for that high to get broken.
Okay.
Jeez, I didn't even realize there was a fair value gap right there.
Yeah. So this is what I entered off of. But yeah. I mean, I thought that you were because I saw you marking out this gap right here. I thought you were either going to
Jeez, I didn't realize there was a gap right there.
I thought because I saw you mark out this gap, this bullish gap. I thought that you might have entered off of this because you wanted to wait for more confirmation. But yeah, this is super high up. But yeah, we got to.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fine. You didn't see it, but yeah, this inverse gap and price even gave us a chance to be able to enter again on this. So.
This is my thought process. Well, at first I was marking out this for value gap to see if we inverse this. I can't lie. I was
scared. I thought you were gonna look for shorts.
If we inverse this.
Yes.
Well, if we inverse, I was also gonna wait for like a pullback. But
so explain to me.
Because I thought if we were to be bullish, we would respect that gap.
Yeah,
but
which we did.
Yeah.
But also, why could we not take that? Why could we not take a trade off of that gap? Why could we not take a short off of that gap?
Off of this getting inverse?
Yes.
Because it could just be a rebalance and then go higher.
Exactly. Because right now we're still maintaining.
I was gonna see that.
Yeah. Because right now we're still maintaining bullish structure. So like, even though we put in this, like, even though we broke structure to the upside right here, that still doesn't mean that we can come down. Like, we can still come down, fill this gap. We can still come down, fill this gap, and maintain bullish structure to push price higher. On ES, not nearly as much wiggle room because we filled this gap completely.
Yeah.
And you were right about price wanting to come up and take out these highs. So overall, I think you did a really good job.
Yeah, if I knew there was a fair value gap right there, I most likely would have. I probably would have entered out this candle though. I can't lie.
This one?
The second one. I would have entered right away off the inverse. I probably would have got psyched out. But after seeing this candle, I probably most likely if I'm gonna be real, I would have got FOMO, and I would have entered like at the tip of the candle with stops below here.
Okay.
But since I didn't see that, this was like, okay, if we inverse this, I still want to be patient just because I know like there's still more stacked 5 minute fair value gaps. But if we respect it and break, I can't lie, I was looking at this as a high. So I was saying if we respect it while breaking this high, then I'll enter. But while I was doing that, I was erasing the dicks. So I was erasing the dicks on ES, and I come back to NQ, and I already see it pumping up. So I just entered while it was pumping up because
the dicks.
Yeah, but if I enter,
I was trying to give you a signal from the toilet. I was trying to give you a signal.
Oh, that's what it was?
Yes.
Yo, W signal. W signal. W signal. Nice. Bro, why'd you say that? Now these niggas are gonna go off on that, bro.
Well, you didn't understand the signal, so.
Oh, no wonder, nigga.
Dick signal is crazy. Yes, bro. I literally was trying to give you a signal from the toilet. Average cock and ball pattern, literally, bro. You see the dick, it shoots cum to the upside to take profit. Yeah, so you're up. We unfortunately didn't hit a full 6,000. We probably should have set a cleaner TP, but
I don't know how to set TPs.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's whatever. Low key, I mean, yeah, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We'll figure it out later.
That's your answer.
No, it's not smart. We just have to make an extra $1,000 on this account.
Right.
I mean,
because we can't make 7K in one trade.
Yeah, the goal is to make $6,000 across 2 trading days, like flat, because that would give us a 50% consistency rule. So we made 6,000 like pretty cleanly on, or I think we made a little bit less.
5,900.
Yeah, so we're like $20 off on this, and we're exactly another $20 off on that. So, Alpha Futures gives you like $200 worth of wiggle room for consistency rules. So, on both the accounts that were up $5,988 on, if we make 6,000, like our goal next trade on those accounts should be to make 6,100.